Welcome to the YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub, your one-stop solution for expert guidance, best practices, and actionable knowledge in the world of contact centers. Explore, learn, and enhance contact center skills. Welcome to the world of social media contact centers, where technology transforms customer engagement into seamless, real-time experiences. In this journey, cutting-edge tools power every interaction, from social listening platforms that capture customer sentiment to omni-channel engagement hubs ensuring no query goes unanswered. AI-driven routing engines prioritize urgent conversations, while CRM systems deliver personalized support at scale. Analytics dashboards provide deep insights, automation reduces agent workload, and collaboration tools bring teams together for faster resolutions. All under the umbrella of security and compliance, ensuring customer trust at every step. Let's explore how these technologies work in harmony to create a smarter, more connected customer experience. First on our journey, social listening and monitoring tools. Imagine a system that never sleeps. Platforms like Sprinklr, Brandwatch, Hootsuite, and Meltwater constantly scanning the digital world, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, and beyond. Every mention, every tag, every complaint is captured in real time. These tools analyze the voice of the customer across multiple channels, detecting trends, emerging issues, or even potential crises before they escalate. The benefit? No customer query slips through the cracks. Businesses gain a clear, immediate view of their brand reputation, enabling proactive engagement, faster resolution, and stronger customer trust. With social listening, the contact center moves from being reactive to becoming a strategic, customer-centric command center. Next, we have omnichannel engagement platforms, the powerhouse behind seamless customer experiences. Solutions like Genesys, NICE inContact, Five9, and Zendesk bring all digital interactions together, social media, chat, email, and even voice, into a single, unified agent console. No more switching between tools or losing context. Agents see the complete customer journey across channels, every past conversation, every touchpoint, all in one place. The result? Faster, smoother resolutions, and consistent, personalized service every single time. With omnichannel engagement, customers feel truly heard no matter where they reach out from. Third, let's talk about routing and workflow engines, the brains behind efficient customer query management. Powered by automatic routing and AI-driven prioritization, these engines analyze every incoming social message, be it a complaint, a simple inquiry, or a critical escalation. The system instantly categorizes each interaction and directs it to the right team, customer support, technical experts, or escalation managers, without delays or manual intervention. The biggest advantage? Urgent issues like service outages or VIP customer complaints jump to the front of the line, while routine queries flow smoothly to standard queues. This intelligent routing ensures faster resolution, balanced workloads, and happier customers, even during peak times. Next in our journey, Customer Relationship Management Systems, or CRMs. Platforms like Salesforce, Microsoft Dynamics, and Zoho CRM act as a single source of truth for customer data. They store everything: account details, purchase history, past interactions, and even social media queries. When a customer reaches out, agents no longer start from scratch. Instead, they see the complete customer profile, who they are, what they've experienced, and how best to help them. This transforms support from generic responses to truly personalized conversations, building stronger relationships, faster resolutions, and ultimately, higher customer satisfaction. Now, let's explore the game changer, artificial intelligence and natural language processing. With tools like IBM Watson, Google Dialogflow, and OpenAI-powered bots, AI adds speed, intelligence, and precision to social media support. Here's how it works. AI detects the sentiment behind every message, whether it's positive, neutral, or a negative escalation waiting to happen. It then suggests the most appropriate replies for agents or powers chatbots to handle routine queries instantly. The outcome? Reduced handling time, consistent responses across the board, and early intervention before customer frustration grows. AI doesn't just automate conversations, it transforms the entire experience into one that's faster, smarter, and far more customer-centric. Next, we have collaboration and escalation systems, the backbone of teamwork in social media contact centers. With tools like Microsoft Teams and Slack integrations, agents are never alone when tackling complex queries. The moment a tricky issue arises, they can instantly collaborate with subject matter experts, share customer context, and escalate cases, all within a single platform. The result? Faster decision-making, smoother problem-solving, and customers getting the right answers the first time, without being passed around endlessly. Now, let's turn to analytics and reporting dashboards, the command center for decision-making. With platforms like Power BI, Tableau, and inbuilt contact center dashboards, leaders can track every critical metric, response times, sentiment trends, interaction volumes, CSAT, NPS, and more. These dashboards transform raw data into real-time insights, highlighting performance gaps, emerging trends, and customer satisfaction levels. The benefit? Leaders make informed, data-driven decisions that boost efficiency, improve customer experience, and keep the entire contact center aligned with business goals. Finally, we have knowledge base and content management systems, the information backbone of the contact center. Platforms like Confluence, SharePoint, and Zendesk Guide provide agents with ready-to-use templates, FAQs, and pre-approved standard responses, all at their fingertips. This means agents spend less time searching for answers and more time helping customers. The result? Faster responses, reduced effort, and most importantly, a consistent tone and policy across every single interaction, building trust and reliability with customers. Next on our journey are automation tools, the silent workhorses behind the scenes. Technologies like robotic process automation and auto-tagging take over repetitive, time-consuming tasks, from tagging social media posts to updating CRM records and even generating reports. By automating these manual processes, agents are freed from routine work and can focus on what truly matters, high-value, complex interactions where human empathy and expertise make the difference. The result? Greater efficiency, reduced errors, and a contact center that runs smarter, not harder. And finally, security and compliance tools, the guardians of customer trust. With strict standards like GDPR, CCPA, and PCI DSS at the core, these tools ensure that every customer interaction complies with data protection and privacy regulations. They safeguard sensitive information, prevent breaches, and reduce legal risks, all while giving customers the confidence that their data is handled with the utmost care. Because in today's digital world, trust isn't optional, it's essential. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. See you in the next video.